Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to MK Convenience Brokerage. My name is Mohammed. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the Associated Mutual Insurance Cooperative Code for Business. I'm going to go over some of the rules and regulations. Some of them I'm going to explain to you the code. Hopefully, I'll be helpful for those people that are having a hard time understanding the code and everything. So, if you're a broker or an agent, you should know what this is. But if you guys have a little bit of misunderstanding, about the insurance, how to read the code, I will help you guys out. For insured, I'm also helping you guys out too, because you will get something like this as well. So I'm just going to explain to you for certain terminologies and what everything is, how to read through it, what code number is, how does it work, what the policy is. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's get started. The first thing first is the code number right over here. Make sure you know the code number is going to be a code number. Obviously, it's a number that you're going to be using reference to give your broker or agent, because you might have multiple insurance policies and you don't want to get confused with telling them I want this and that might be more expensive than this one. So keep in mind, the applicant, make sure whichever you place you're going to be doing insurance for. So for example, if it's an LLC or corporation or whatever, that's what the applicant should be, because people do put it on LLC and corporation, or they put an individual name. Whatever it is, make sure you tell your broker and agent that part. Obviously, agent is going to be the agent itself. So this is the business owner code as stated on the top bottom. The first, the building coverage, and there's the business property coverage. Now this is very important. So and this is going towards both parties, broker agent and insured. Well, this is how it works. Now, if you're an insured, you have to tell the broker you own the building or not, because a broker or an agent will not know if you own the building. Common sense, they're not gonna know unless you tell them. So if you own a building and you also do the business from the building, you need building coverage and property coverage. So you need both things, because it becomes a commercial insurance. It's not like a homeowner's code. It's different. It's going to be a commercial building and commercial business property. So what it is, the building insurance, for example, for this person was none, because the person was only renting the business. So they only needed a property coverage. Now the property, it means that any item inside. So for example, if I was doing a code for a grocery store and all the items inside were valued of 20,000, the customer might tell me I have 20,000 worth of items. So that items, if you have more items, the quote will go up. The less items you have for coverage, let's say for example you have $50,000 worth of coverage and the customer said I only want 10,000. Guess what? Whatever the customer tells, you can try to persuade the customer and tell them no, you have more items. Why you want 10,000? But some people just want to save money. But you do it. Make sure you have something to form to sign to the customer and stating that I replenished amount, knowingly this amount is much, but I'm taking it low for this reason, whatever it is. So basically, that's how it is. So building coverage, again, is if you own it. If you're an owner, you need to do the building coverage as well. The building coverage is for the building itself, not for the contents inside the building. The content coverage is business property, whichever inside the building. That's what the content coverage is. Bodily injury, again, it's like, for example, over here is $1 million. Usually it does include it inside. Property damage, again, if 2 million. Premises liability, medical payments, 1,000, 50,000 for each accident. Product completed operation, $1 million, and fire legal liability, $1 million. So again, this is some of the coverages. For example, terrorism coverage, $94. Personal injury, $15. Abscess inclusion, -1, give you a discount. Assault and battery exclusion, time deductible indirect, -5. Loss of income, $33, minus, basically correct. This is basically the premium over here, $1,971. Obviously, including the fire terrorism coverage. Terrorism coverage is option. I do have a video on this. I'm not gonna go over it. It's too much information to go over. But terrorism coverage, you don't need it. You don't have to have it, but it's up to you. It's an option as well. Going to the second page again. Additional expenses if you have any. This 4 options is quite something. You could either have an actual cash value or replacement cost. Usually you want to have a replacement cost, but it's up to the customer. Some customers might have actual cash value because it's cost cheaper in the quote and for the premium. Replacement cost is basically if you have a 2012 Toyota Camry car and you burn it. Not you burn it purposely, but let's say you get an accident, the car is destroyed, totaled. They will replacement cost. They will find the same exact car and replace it with something similar, something of the same value. Actual cash value is something like, let's say you, as you know, If you buy a car 2012 and it's 2017, the value is not going to be the same as if it was 2012. But actual cash value will give you the amount that you had in 2012, for not in 2012, but whatever you bought 2012, 13, 14, whatever the value gets less and less, they will pay you whatever the value is at this current time. So that's what actually cash value is. The 2012 is not going to be the same price as 2017. The price is going to go down. So that 2017 price, they're going to pay you, and obviously you're going to pay less money as actual cash value. Additional expenses, fire, legal liability, these are usually included. Loss of income, personal injury, these are all optional coverages. Obviously personal injury was part of it that the person gets. A sprinkler leakage, if you do have it, that's one part coverage as well. Valid paper record, that's one more. Last page, again, obviously this is the last page. It's not much, but just for core purposes, they just give you this page as well to show how everything looks, and basically the location of the building and everything. Other than that, that's about it. Thank you again, guys, for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any other questions, comment, concern, please comment, like, subscribe. I'll try my best to help you guys out as much as possible. Thank you again, guys, for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.